Tavia. And today, we're going to Panama City. Right, Mom?
Right on, kiddo.
So where are we now?
I don't know.
Almost
26 miles from our destination.
We're 26 miles from our destination. Just
I don't know what I'm doing.
Dad has
Okay, me first, me first.
Now, why don't you just buy a keg?
Me first, Tavia.
Okay, we're doing makeup in the car. Because we want to look pretty. When we go to the beach, find some beach boys.
That was bitchy.
And she has to find some beach boys. So we're putting this all over her face. Yum yum.
I would vote if we had an extra bathtub. Why, you just feel about the
Forehead.
local ice?
Be careful with that because I don't want to get all of this white shirt.
Tell you we got 2 diapers.
Forehead.
Stop doing that. You're going to make a big brush.
Mom's probably got
Face, face.
Mom, Tavia's making me into a prostitute.
Forehead. Your mustache.
I don't have a mustache. I have a really big mustache.
You have a mustache. I wanted to tell you to shave, but I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
And I want to tell you.
I know you say don't hide it. Turn this way.
I know there's other fat people.
You're gonna be like this.
I know there are other fat people in this truck.
I kill you.
Yep. You're so hard. Like you're not even mad. I'm doing your makeup so that as hard as you do that in your makeup period. Did you make
What
sure?
is this?
Don't put that on my face. That's like 12 10. That's like a really light.
Turn this way. You can see the.
Why did you?
I didn't want to be up there. I could see nothing going on.
Okay, now you're just putting that on way too thick.
This is Stacy. You can fix your makeup.
Oh, there's salt water and water pool. There's a swimming pool, there's salt water, and then there's a swimming pool.
What does the salt water do?
Just make sure you're fluffy.
No, it doesn't. That's actually better for your hair, I think.
Is it down?
Is it dirty?
If you were dirty.
Dirty?
No.
No.
Okay, so my turn to do
Is it
yours.
clear water?
Yes.
Maybe shut up and stop asking thousand questions. I know you're excited because we're rich and you're rich. You messed up.
Oops. Your hand has a cross on it. No!
Come here.
Don't make me look like you're going out more.
Come here.
Sleep forehead. Oh,
I just mixed all these colors together. Forehead. Side head. Chin. That mustache, you need to shave it. I won't tell you to shave that, but I thought that would hurt your feelings.
really?
And the square pluggy.
A little bit of this lighter color 1 second. Yeah, but I forgot the rest of that. That's my lipstick. Oh, you're using the other color. That one's yours.
And this is I love the city you.
Fix that.
Now I have to kiss you to get friendless all over your face.
Ew.